guys, welcome to yet another video. I'm gonna take you guys with me to work today because I got errands to run after work. So yeah, me and Nami to work. I don't know why I'm voicey, but also at lunch. So at the canteen downstairs they do have Starbucks, but they don't have a matcha, so that's why I opted for this. And yeah, boys, he was ordering this for me. A lot of croissants as well. So I'm just gonna eat my. So I'm heading to Clinks and then I'll go to factory because I need to change some pants. Hi guys, today is actually my birthday, so it's what day? It's Tuesday, the 28th of Feb. So yeah, today I'm officially 30 years old. Yo, ngaze ngamdala ngimuncane. Where has the time gone? Oh my god. Yo, damn. So today I didn't go to work because it's a normal work day. I decided to take leave, and yeah, I don't have any plans for today. I just plan on sleeping because, you know, yeah, umuntu unadate my manje nje into fun. What do you do for fun? I sleep. Ngilapho my kuthiwa ngikephi athi never call kids. I'm on the third floor noma level 3 or yo guys, yeah. So yeah, birthdays are usually like a hard thing of late for me. So I lost my dad 2 years ago due to COVID. So nje, celebrations, milestones are still hard and tricky for me. So today I'm really taking it slow. I'm intentionally grateful for everything that is going well in my life. And yeah, it's like I just took time off work to just check in on myself, because it's easy to be like, when there's a lot of people around, it's easy to be fine or to act like you're fine. So yeah, like I've been processing a lot of emotions today. I'm grateful to be able to, you know, like take a moment and feel the things that I'm feeling, because you know, like loss, grief are hard things. So it is a struggle, but I'm grateful to uNkulunkulu for the people that have been with us during this time, for my sister as well, because more than anyone, she understands what we are going through, what we've gone through the most. So yeah, I'm gonna go sad, guys. I'm not trying to be sad, but yeah, sometimes I am sad, sometimes I am happy, and it's just about honoring all the emotions that I'm facing. So yeah, now I'm gonna move on to exciting stuff. I'm gonna show you guys stuff that I got from Clicks yesterday. I'm sure you guys, yeah, I did take you through that Clicks process, so I'm gonna show you, and then I'm also gonna show you my gifts, which I'm really excited about. I want to say a big shout out to my sister. Yo, like, yeah guys, I'm gonna show you guys. So the first item is this. I know you guys believe in that other Magnolia tissue oil from Clicks, but for me, this is the girl she thinks she is. You apply it when you shower, you apply it after you've showered, you know, you apply it before applying a spritz. So yeah, you mix it with the lotion. I really like this Gold Shim. It moisturizes and keeps your body glowing all day. Love. So the second item I got are these cotton pads, and you have as a Clicks, guys, they always wanna try you with that 3 for 2 what, and I was just like, no, I'm sticking to my budget, I'm sticking to my list. I only came here for these. So you get 18, and that's more than enough for me. So yeah, so I'm gonna be trying her for the very first time. It's the Also Heavenly perfumed body mist. So I'm just gonna apply this before applying perfume. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. Last but not least, I got this. I was not really looking to get this particular Vaseline. I was looking for the round one, the normal one. So when I got to the store, I saw this one, so I was just like, let me give it a try, because really I need some Vaseline for my lips. So yeah, guys, do you ever get gifts and you're just like, lo muntu ongenzele kukhulu kangaka ngizomenzelani, ngingamnikani ngaphandle kwenhliziyo yami, ndingamnikani ngaphandle kobomu bam. Oh hi guys, so my sister asked me what I wanted for my birthday, because siyabuzana. So I told her that I want a perfume. I want the YSL Libre, so she got it for me. Nangu ulala. Let me open her for you guys. She smells so good. She smells so good. Kizobe nginuka kamunandi. So I'm thinking sharp girl uqedile ngama gifts, because you know what, you know, like this for me was enough, more than enough, you know. And I was excited for it because, well, I knew what I was getting, and it's exactly what I want. Oh, that's a kaya take like she was like, I'm not done with you, baby girl, you know, princess treatment for each child. Yo, let me show you guys the next gift. Oh, mama, when I think about it. And also, like, so she got the gift, the perfume, on Friday, and then we were going out Saturday. Sunday, we are chilling. Nana, so Springfield, Nani, she's just gonna try and go look for some stuff. I'm just like, you know, because some people were like, we're not gonna buy you anything, but we're gonna give you some randellas. And you know what, I love me some randellas. And you know what, I'll sing manifest universe, if you're hearing this, sing with that level, and imali with that level, you know, more, bigger, better. You feel me? You get. And uyazi ukuthi mina namachankuri, I love. My sister was like, she went to the shops, and then she showed me stuff that she's buying, and then she shows me a pair of this. And then when I get to, like, she's asking me which color, and I'm like, I like the blue. She's insinuating or something, you know. When she got back, she was like, oh, my I don't know how to act. I do not know how to act. What do you mean? What? I'm so excited, yo. And sometimes yo, ditini. Yo, guys. Like, these are the type of gifts that somebody gives you and you're just like, clearly funny moto. Clearly when it's her turn, she wants me to get her a car. Cause what? Like, yo, I'm super duper grateful. I'm also gonna show you guys my items, like clothing items that I got. Cause you know what? Oh, my you know, like, I'm super grateful. I'm super grateful. Today was a lot, like a lot. The messages, guys, every kind word you've said to me, from the bottom of my heart, I'm truly really grateful to my sister. Hi, boom, So guys, I got this money green shirt from Cotton On in a medium. I also got it in this color. So yeah, guys, you all know about my obsessive nature, so I got it in this color. I think you can get away with wearing it like a top, kota, not if you have hips as big as mine. Okay, ogre, and don't mind what's little room the mess. Azikolayo, please focus on what I'm giving you. Ogre. So yeah, this is the shirt. I really like these pop of colors. You know, you can just wear it. Slap in nama tights. I'm short tights are black. Namateku and your balance. So I also got this dress. So yeah, guys, all these items were on sale. So yeah, I got it from a Cotton On sale shop. So yeah. So I also got these beanies. So I got 3. So there's this vintage red, this navy color, as well as this cool mint. So yeah, those are the final items that I got from Cotton On. And also, guys, I wear a lot of head stuff like hats and beanies because, like, I like covering my head and my face. Like my head, because the hairline yami is not the strongest. It could be like my sister's, but it decided to be like mine. So I think a lot of exposure to the sun does damage your hair as well as your skin. So yeah. So guys, these are the pants that I got from factory. They're quite nice. I like the slits at the bottom and they flare. Sonje and the bamba upper and the these aren't mine. I've sized my sister's ones because these are mine. But I'm realizing they don't have slits at the bottom, and also that and the confusing part is that I went to factory because she got me a different size, a different color, size 14 in a different color. They were green, and then when I got there, they don't have a size 12. So now allow our size 12, but they don't fit. And also they don't have a slits, so I'm thinking I should return them and get a different color. Oh, hayi shem kuningi. Morning guys, today's a Wednesday, the day after my birthday. My boyfriend got me flowers yesterday. He was like, petals for my petal. Hey guys, I'm running late to work and nothing new there. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later on in the day after work. Hi my birthday yami. This is what I just came to work to. Oh my god. When I catch you, no, though. When I catch you. Oh. I am so late. But I'm so happy. How am I? Woo! Guys, get happy. Let me get to work. Let me work. Every day, if you know about a birthday,
we just go there, they will call us from the network to give them
guys, having a happy month. So I'm currently at lunch, but I just like 30 minutes. I have like stuff like food from McDonald's. Let me show you guys what I got. So this is what I'm having for lunch. Just a spicy fold over chips.
Okay, did you click
So yeah. Guys, it's much later on in the day. So she'll have us 4 because I'm half past 4 whenever 5, so I'm waiting for them. Then we are gonna go to Konobia for some after work drinks, honey, drinks. But I'm having such a good day, guys. One thing about me, I love me some flowers. And today I got flowers. Yesterday I got flowers. Today I got flowers. Guys, guys, there's still load shedding, but so we guess manjing was 6. So yeah, we're gonna I'm gonna show like the place that when electricity is back on. Oh, let's see, guess how my boss. I'm with my friends, guys. This is the Boiti. Boiti, say hi. And this is see. Guys, this place is so cute. It's got not so long on my couch. Yo, I'm sad. Today, I'm This place is so beautiful, guys. It's cute. Cute. Ngicela niba amakhathi esifuna ukuhlala kona. Manje nje abafuni nawo. Let's have a fun now. I think mas ngafika singahle begin. Siphuzisa sisasayitho home and then how's your Azara team?
These balls thing. They chewy, but it's very nice shape and different.
Okay.
But I think next time because I'm a day boys. refreshing.
Poeti, how you enjoying your one?
So nice. It's very refreshing.
I friends Leia.
Injani free.
You know, Booba, you know, mango, like
Yeah.
just they so you say mango.
Yeah.
That's called as is it to drink.
A lot is going on. Kuning. Kuningi kodwa ke it's nice though.
But it's nice. It's like a smoothie. Consistency ale yam.
I need no creamy cream. In a cream
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.
Subscribe and like. Ngicela nenze njalo ke ma Ngicela nenze njalo.
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much.